Now in this question, a very important question, we have to find the image of the point 163. I have mentioned in the figure point as a R163. In the line x upon 1 is equal to y minus 1 upon 2 is equal to z minus 2 upon 3. I have mentioned there the equation of a line. Also write the equation of the line joining the given points. It means we have to find equation of RS and length of RS. Okay. So now let's start it. The given line is x minus 0 upon 1, y minus 1 upon 2 is equal to z minus 2 upon 3. Now it is x upon 1, I have written x minus 0 upon 1. Okay. Now the line passes through 0, 1, 2 and has direction ratios 1, 2 and 3. Direction ratios 1, 2 and 3. Now let this point S. Now let point S with alpha, beta, gamma as the coordinates be the mirror image of point R with coordinates 1, 6 and 3. Now direction ratios of RS are. Now what are the direction ratios of RS? Alpha minus 1, beta minus 6, gamma minus 3. Now RS is perpendicular on given line, therefore now direction ratios of line and direction ratios of perpendicular line. So direction ratio of line is 1, 2, 3. So 1 with alpha minus 1 plus 2 with beta minus 6 plus 3 with gamma minus 3 is equal to 0. Now what we have used? A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. So we are having alpha minus 1 plus 2 beta minus 12 plus 3 gamma minus 9 is equal to 0, and this implies alpha plus 2 beta, alpha plus 2 beta plus 3 gamma is equal to minus 1, minus 12 and minus 9, that is 22. Negative of 22 goes this side, becomes positive of 22. So let this be equation number 1. Now for M. Now let M be the midpoint of RS and coordinates of M are. Now coordinates of M, alpha plus 1 upon 2, because M is the midpoint, so we are using midpoint formula. Now alpha plus 1 upon 2, beta plus 6 upon 2, gamma plus 3 upon 2. Okay, because the coordinates are 1, 6 and 3. Now M lies on the line x minus 0 upon 1 is equal to y minus 1 upon 2 is equal to z minus 2 upon 3. Therefore what we can write it? M lies on the line. Okay. Now in place of this x, y and z, we are going to put coordinates of the midpoint or coordinates of the point M. So we are having alpha plus 1 upon 2 minus 0 upon 1 is equal to beta plus 6 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to gamma plus 3 upon 2 minus 2 upon 3 is equal to lambda. Okay. Now on solving, what we are getting? Alpha plus 1 upon 2 is equal to beta plus 4 upon 4, okay, is equal to gamma minus 1 upon 6 is equal to lambda. Now further what we are having? Okay, let me write here this one. Now alpha plus 1 is equal to 2 lambda, beta plus 4 is equal to 4 lambda, and gamma minus 1 is equal to 6 lambda, or alpha is equal to 2 lambda minus 1, beta is equal to 4 lambda minus 4, and gamma is equal to 6 lambda plus 1. This be equation 2. Now substituting values of alpha, beta and gamma in equation 1. Equation 1 is which one? This one. In equation 1, what we are getting? Now equation 1 is alpha, that is 2 lambda minus 1 plus twice of beta 4 lambda minus 4 plus 3 times of gamma 6 lambda plus 1 is equal to 22. Okay. So now on solving this one, we will be getting value for lambda. So we are having 2 lambda minus 1 plus 8 lambda minus 8 plus 18 lambda plus 3 is equal to 22, or now 2 lambda plus 8 lambda 10 lambda plus 18 lambda is 28 lambda. 28 lambda, then minus 1 minus 8 and 3 minus 9 plus 3 minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6 is equal to 22. 28 lambda is equal to 28, or lambda is equal to 1. Now we can put the value of lambda in equation 2 to get alpha, beta and gamma. Okay. Now substituting value of lambda is equal to 1 in equation 2, coordinates of S will become, now alpha 2 minus 1, that is 1, beta 4 minus 4, that is 0, and gamma 6 plus 1, that is 7. So coordinates of S coordinates of S we are getting 107. This is one of the answer. Okay, because we have to find the image point. The image point is S, that is 107. Now required equation of R and S, required equation of RS using 2-point form. Now coordinates of S and coordinates of R are 163. So we are having now x minus 1, that is this one, x minus 1 upon 1 minus 1 is equal to y minus 6 upon 0 minus 6 is equal to z minus 3 upon 7 minus 3. So required equation becomes now x minus 1 upon 0 is equal to y minus 6 upon 0 minus 6. Okay, x minus y minus 6 upon 0 minus 6, yeah, it is minus 6, and then z minus 3 upon now 7 minus 3, that is 4. One of the answer. Second of the answer. Required length of RS, that is 0 square plus minus 6 square plus 4 square. This is equal to 36 plus 16 is equal to square root of 52, and this is 2 root 13 units. Length of RS is equal to 13 units. Answer. So we are having three different